Hello everyone. In this module, we're going to continue to work on the file reading. In order to read the file, we specify the file location all the way to the file name, okay? And then specify whether we want to read or write using the open function and assign it to file F. Then I can read it, right? F dot read. Then I can read the entire file content. I'm going to print that. I want to save it and hit enter. What happens is that this file itself is the file that we are working on. So that is the file. This is the entire file into a string. For example, if I want to string, and this is whatever I do, and then if I say type string, what is a type of that string? All right, how can I read that into a list? The simple way that I can do is list1 equals using a list. Okay, so what happens is that right, nothing there because it is already reached to the end of the file. So we need to rewind it to seek the first position of that file, and then do this. Oh, I'm sorry, should be list. Then after that, I can do print list1. Okay. Then let's say on a dash maybe 10 times, so that I need to see what it is. Okay. Oh, this is nothing. So nothing to read. So why? Because it reached to the end of the file. So we need to rewind it using seek function. Okay. So it's going back to the first position of that file. All right. Then it'll work. So this will be a list format. Remember that f equals if open, that is that one. So so when it comes to the white space, so from here that is white space. So this is one element in that list, and then second element all the way from here to that is second element. So that is a space. So there is a second and third and things like that. Okay. So the other way that we could do is we want to do f again seek back, and then list2 equals, I want to use read lines. So f dot read lines plural. So everything can be read lines and converted to the list file, so that I can do, okay, so that I can print lst2 and hit enter. Then this is the first step as just simply read the function, and second one is I convert all the file into a list, and third one the same effect, the second and third the same effect, but here I read using the method read lines. All right, and there may be something else, but if I enter here split lines, then it'll be not anymore a string, but another list. The first one is again list. Okay, I think you understand.